I think you've heard about Forum Theater tonight many times, but I'm going to tell you again that it's a tool to talk about hard, sensitive topics in your communities. Tonight we're going to see a scene from a family in the Balkans. It's a typical family, and they have problems with alcoholism, unemployment, and I'm really happy to introduce them to you. Have a good night. I would like to tell you something. I'm gonna let you talk amongst yourselves for a minute or two about the problem, the solution, but and then I'm gonna ask you to come here on stage if you have an idea. But when you come here to try to find a solution, we will ask you to try to use only gestures like they have before. So I'm just gonna let you for a minute or two to talk amongst yourselves.